We're going to do another product review today, and I'll kind of explain my situation. Let me show you my setup here in the office. And this is my iPhone sitting right there on a charging stand. And next to it, I've got an old VTech phone that I found in a box that I bought it years ago. And I thought I would use that to answer the calls coming in on my cell phone, but what I found was I was still reaching for my cell phone. And so I'm going to get rid of that. So I ordered a product off of Amazon, and here it is right here. It's a, see if I can get the camera on it. It's an Anker UltraClear portable Bluetooth speakerphone. Now, this obviously is not a big office. This is just my one-person office here. But what I thought I'd do is a little product review to see how this thing works, and we'll start it together from scratch. It comes in a pretty sturdy box there. It's wrapped in plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and see if we can get that plastic off of there and see what we have to work with. Use my handy dandy letter opener here, which is like a knife in itself. And my goal here is to not have to hold my cell phone up to my head all the time. I know there's a lot of controversy over the waves and all that. Not that probably Bluetooth is going to change anything. So anyway, how in the world do you get this thing open? This is well packaged. I'll give that to Anker. Okay, little trick of the trade. Anyway, here's the box again, and there's a little flap right here. It's kind of hard to see, and that just kind of opens up there like that, and it opens up into a nice little book there. So what we have here is, of course, a nice little office view there. Some people on a conference call, and here's the product right there, and we'll just pull that out, and I'm going to have to put the camera down here so y'all can see what I'm doing. We're going to slide the box out of the way. Oh, while we're here, also in the box there's, let's see, user manual, danger manual, all that kind of stuff. And also in the box, there's another small box here, and that probably contains your USB cord. So we're going to open that up and see what's in there. Well, it's open. Again, my letter opener comes in handy for more than one thing. There we go. So that's your USB charging cable, and that was all packaged right here in that small box inside the big box there. And we're going to open this up and see what we're working with. A nice little padded case there. And here's the product itself. It's nice size. I got the black because it was on sale at Amazon for $30 off. Regular price is $129. It does come in blue and a gray, but they're $129. And I decided to go with the black for 99 bucks. And I'll put a product link below there in case you're interested in this product. You've got your mute button here in the center. Let me see if I can get a better close-up here. And I might use my letter opener for a pointer. You've got a mute button here in the center. Down here you've got a volume up, volume down. This is to take a call. And that it looks like some kind of fast forward or play button. So I guess since this is Bluetooth, you could use it for a music speaker too, but I bought it mainly just to take calls on my cell phone so I don't have to hold my cell phone. Back here you've got a USB-C port right there. That's going to be your power port, and that's a regular USB port there for charging. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on, and we're going to test it out and see what happens. Now, I don't know if this product comes charged or not, but I showed you the back side. On the front, here's a power on button right here, and here's your Bluetooth to pair it up with the phone. So I'm going to see if there's any power in this thing right now, and if there is, we'll go ahead and get started. Probably does not come charged. Okay, so I'm going to have to charge this thing up, and we'll take it from there. And I did a lot of research on Amazon, and I didn't want to spend a fortune, and I thought 99 bucks, that's a decent amount of money to spend on just a home office. And also went because it was from Anker. I do have Anker battery packs, and I've been very pleased with them. So I'm hoping this product is going to be just as good. But we'll get this thing charged up. Okay, we're all charged up now, so you just push in the power button, hold it on for a couple seconds. See the light come on, see a little ring come on top, and then your Bluetooth light comes on here to pair it with your phone. So let me grab my phone here and see if we can do this. And there's my Anker PowerConf. So I'll hit that, we'll connect. Just got a beep, so I guess we are connected. So now we're going to put it through a little test. I'm just going to set it. We'll set it up here next to the box. And I'll get somebody on the phone and we'll test it out. And here we have a call coming in. You can see the light flashing green. So we're just going to answer this. I don't know where to push, so we're just going to push. Push on the phone symbol. There you go. Uncle Bill here. So anyway, can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Do I sound clear?
Kinda, yeah.
Okay, you sound very clear. I'm going to stand up and walk a few feet away. I'm about 4 feet away. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, but I can tell you're further away, yeah.
Okay. But you can still hear me clearly?
Kinda, yeah. I can understand what you're saying, yeah.
Okay. Now I'm back up within about 1.5 feet of the device. How about now?
Yeah.
Sounds
better.
All right, you sound very clear on this end.
Okay.
So anyway, folks, this is an old friend Bob on here. So thank you for getting on, Bob. I appreciate your help, and I'll catch up with you. Hang tight. Hang on.
Sure thing.
Okay, we're back. As you heard, the sound is actually very good. I'm surprised at how clear it is on my end. Sounds like there could be a little distortion as you move away from the speakerphone on the receiver's end, but not enough to not have a conversation. So I think this project is going to suit my needs here. I really like the case that it came in. It's a hard shell case, and I keep thinking of maybe carrying this, around maybe to a meeting or out in the yard or on the lake or whatever. So anyway, I do like the product. I would recommend it. Like I said, I will put a link down in the description below. But here's another view of the box. It's the Anker UltraClear Portable Conference Speakerphone. And please post comments if you want to. Please like my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Till next time, take care. Be safe. The only downfall on this product is the fact that once you put the speakerphone into the case, there's no place to put the storage cable. A lot of products I have a little pocket up here for the storage cable. So I guess I'm just going to have to put it in there and just kind of mash it down like that to close it. But it would be nice to have a little pocket on the case. So maybe if Anker is watching this video, they can maybe take that into consideration. But again, I would recommend the product. It works pretty well, and we'll try to do an update get a little further down the road. Take care. Till next time.